Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the notifications in the Pigment application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the My Work button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on the little settings button at the top of the page. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the notifications button. So just click on the white circle. And once it's turned green, your notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.